If you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe this channel. When we upload the video, you will get first notification from YouTube community. Hello there, this is me Suvankar and you watching 7 Color Dreams. I was showing the previous video how to start Photoshop and how to open an existing file in Photoshop CC and CS. In this video, I will discuss with you about the Photoshop program windows. In this video, I am using Photoshop CC version in Windows 7. When we open a Photoshop file, it appears with the other screen components of Photoshop on the screen. Those components are the basic feature of Photoshop using which we can work on an image. The Photoshop program contains the below components. Title bar. The title bar is a topmost bar of the Photoshop program windows. It contains the name of the application, which is Adobe Photoshop. Menu bar. The menu bar is a collection of 9 useful menus, which menus contain a list of comments, and each comment performs the specific task. For example, the undo comment at the edit menu undoes the last action performed by us. Option bar. The option bar display option specific to the tool we have selected from the toolbox. For example, if we select the Mercury tool, it will display options specific to the Mercury tool, such as the single selection mode or add subtract selection mode. Further, pixel of the selection, style of selection, and height and width of selection. Image windows. Image windows contain the image to be edited. This is the area where we work and only the part of the screen gets painted. Don't worry, we have more components and we will discuss the next video about Photoshop components. So, if you are new in this channel and you not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye and support this channel please.